Good evening, everyone. Today I am presenting a case study about Zomato, starting with its history. An IIT Delhi student who was always looking for a new place to eat came up with the idea for Zomato. Founded in 2008 by Deepinder Goyal and Pankaj Chadda in India. Originally started as Foodie Day, it later rebranded to Zomato in 2010. Zomato expanded globally, operating in multiple countries including the United States, United Kingdom and UAE. Employment generation. Zomato generates employment opportunity for delivery partner, customer support and restaurant staff. તો જે એનું કેપિટલ સ્ટ્રક્ચર છે બહુ નાનું છે પહેલાં તો એનું ઇન્વેસ્ટમેન્ટ ખાલી એક સોફ્ટવેરમાં જ છે જેથી એ એમ્પ્લોયમેન્ટ બી જનરેટ કરે છે અને એનું કન્ટ્રીબ્યુશન જીડીપીમાં બી છે. It has contributed to the gig economy by providing flexible work option for delivery personnel. Basically gig workers are those workers જેમાં સ્કિલ નથી, કેપેબિલિટી નથી કે એ લોકો સ્કિલ ડેવલપ કરે અને લેબર બી નથી, તો એમને આ ઓપોર્ચ્યુનિટી પ્રોવાઈડ કરે છે આવા પ્લેટફોર્મ કે જ્યાં અમને એમ્પ્લોયમેન્ટ આપે. કન્ટ્રીબ્યુશન ટુ જીડીપી. Zomato's business activity contributes to the GDP through various channels, job creation and income generation for delivery executives and restaurant staff, investment in technology and infrastructure development. તો હવે જેમ ઇન્કમ વધશે, પર્ચેસિંગ પાવર પેરિટી બી વધશે, જેનાથી ડિમાન્ડ બી વધશે અને એનો સપ્લાય બી વધશે. પર કેપિટા ઇન્કમ કોઈ બી નેશનની વધશે તો એની જીડીપી બી વધશે. AI for Zomato. Zomato uses AI to analyze user preference and behavior to provide personalized restaurant and food recommendation. This helps user discover new dine option based on their past choice and reviews. It offers convenient online ordering and delivery service, making it easy for users to enjoy their favorite meals from the comfort of their home. The way this technology works is that sometimes we are lazy enough to walk out of the house and we prefer immediate convenience at our doorstep. Now, we as a customer are attracted to offers and discounts on our favorite food item. This tends towards our greediness and wish fulfilling as well, because Zomato and such platform provide such facility at minimal prices. Lastly, we are going on numerical data of Zomato. Startup name Zomato, headquarter Gurugram, India. Sector food delivery, founders Deepinder Goyal, Gaurav Gupta, Pankaj Chadda. Founded 2008, valuation $8 billion, revenue $540.61 million. Total funding $2.1 billion. Headquarter Gurugram, which is also known as financial and technology hub. Deepinder Goyal has given a tagline for Zomato, which is never have a bad meal through Zomato. Zomato mission and vision. Zomato states that their mission is to ensure nobody had a bad meal. Zomato co-founder Pankaj Chadda had declared that the vision of Zomato is to be the global platform when someone is looking for food locally. Thank you.